Hi viewers, I tried to post the solution to the question I posted earlier yesterday for the benefit of those of us that have not solved problem like this before, or for those of us that have not seen something like this before. It is a simultaneous equation, but you arrive at four answers at the end of the day. So in this kind of question, you are going to look at the complex equation from the both equation given to you. If you observe, you see that the equation 1 is more complex than the equation 2. So it is the equation 2 that you are going to use to form your equation 3. Do you get it? So when you use equation 2 to form equation 3, then don't substitute to equation 2, which you have used to formulate the equation 3. You are going to substitute to equation 1. You get it? So when you substitute to equation 1, that is where you now expand it. You see here I have my s now is 5 plus y raised to the power of 2. So the expansion of this, you can use the shortest method. You know that when we have a plus b whole square, what you are going to do is you are going to have a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this is telling you that 5 is your a, b is your y. So when you substitute into the formula, you see you are going to arrive at 25 plus 2 open bracket 5y close bracket plus y square. So instead of you multiplying it twice, you have gotten your answer. That is that. Now the next thing now is for you to collect the like times. After collecting the like times, you see we arrive at a quadratic equation here. So in this quadratic equation, you see I made use of two different multiples here. I have 6 times 1, I have 3 times 2. So now 6 times 1 will give us 6, isn't it? But when you add 6 and 1 together, you will not get 5 at the middle. This 5 at the middle, you will not get it. So you see, we can't use that one. You use another one again, which is 3 times 2. 3 times 2 will give us 6. Also, 3 plus 2 will give us 5. You see, now we can now use 3 and 2. So the moment you have gotten your multiple, no need of you collecting, just write y plus one of the multiple, open bracket and close the bracket, then y plus the second multiple equals to 0. No need of you putting y open bracket y, no. Just write it like this, you get your answer. This is the shortest way of doing it. So after that, you know that when you take your y, the value of y to the other side to become minus, when you take the value of y here also to the other side to become minus 2. So when you substitute the value of y into the equation 3 now, so instead of you going to equation 2, don't bother yourself, use equation 3 to form your, to get the value for the x, because already equation 3 has summarized everything. You see, just be adding y to the value here, you get your x. So now 5 minus 3, because here is plus, so minus times plus will give us minus, so that's why you are seeing minus 3 here. So 5 minus 3 will give us 2. Then also when y equals to minus 2, you have 5 minus 2, which will give you 3. So that is the end of the problem, and that's the solution. So make sure you use this to also solve some problems related to this.